All right, and if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? All right. I like the way you said that. All right. I will make a decision after I get a UA today. Why are you being dishonest with the court?
Today, we dive into a tense courtroom drama, the state of Texas versus Thomas Nathaniel Henson. A deferred adjudication case is on the line with serious allegations of assault and probation violations. Will Henson face prison time? How will his mental health and family dynamics influence the outcome? Stick around because what unfolds in the next hour will shock you, and the stakes couldn't be higher.
All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 5859, State of Texas versus Thomas Nathaniel Henson. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Zach Dunn for the state.
For the defense?
Catherine Valenzuela.
Are you Thomas Henson?
Please remove.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Probation. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes.
Are you the same Thomas Nathaniel Henson who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 5859 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on September 15, 2022 for a period of 4 years?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Your Honor, on or about the 11th day of August 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Thomas Nathaniel Henson, committed the offense of assault in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State?
And Your Honor, there's an agreement.
The other allegations?
There are none, Your Honor.
Are you waiving?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Any objections to the waivers?
No objection to the waivers.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish?
Here's where the tension skyrockets. Henson faces up to 20 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. Every choice he makes now could determine his future. Will he comply or risk everything by ignoring the court's warnings? The courtroom drama is just getting started.
That, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yeah.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We had an agreed recommendation to continue and for DDRF.
That is understanding, Your Honor.
All right. Probation, is that your recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the wait time for DDRF?
Honor.
The wait time is 6 to 13 weeks. Do we have any other alternatives?
State ISF cognitive track, Your Honor, that wait time.
All right, but will that address the issue? Because DDRF, I'm assuming there's a mental health issue.
And Your Honor, that had been the first recommendation. Then he did the tap about, and that's why we got to DRF. But the first recommendation had been ISF cognitive.
All right,
Sorry.
no problem.
So yes, the original recommendation was for the state ISF cognitive track, but we did an updated tap while he's been in Bexar County, and the recommendation changed for DDRF due to the mental testing.
All right, so the new number 1, who is the complainant? I mean, what is the relationship?
She's been my girlfriend.
Girlfriend. All right, and are we doing no contact with the girlfriend?
I believe there had been, she did sign an affidavit of non-prosecution. We did enter a plea to proceed with the treatment that he believes he does need, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm going to order no contact with that person. And then once his mental health is stable, we'll do something different. Do you understand? I'm sorry, you need to speak up. All right, so do you have anyone else that you can live with? Mother?
I wasn't just living with her. She was living. She was staying.
Okay, you're mumbling. I can't understand. I can't hear you in the court report. I can't hear you.
I wasn't living with her. She was staying with me. So.
All right, so do you have your own place?
Yeah.
So who were you living with?
Yes, sir. I was staying with my grandma.
All right, so you need to stop inviting people to live with your grandmother when she's already have you living with her. You understand?
Yeah.
So were you supporting yourself at all? Or were you just dependent upon your grandmother?
I mean, I wasn't paying rent, but I wasn't.
Were you working? I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Sometimes.
So that means that you're not bringing in a stable income and you're bringing somebody else into your grandmother's house. That's a big no-no. You understand?
Yes.
Do you want to go to prison? Because we can do that.
Um,
Then why are you behaving as though you want to go to prison by not reporting? That's the easiest thing on the planet to do. You're obviously not working, really. So you're just watching television with your grandmother or something, or putting a burden on her where she has to feed you, and then you're bringing a girlfriend into the house. That seems like all you were doing and not doing well on probation. Do
The
you?
judge isn't just punishing, there's a method here. With mandatory state ISF cognitive treatment and strict no contact orders, Henson is being guided toward rehabilitation. It's a balancing act between punishment and providing a real chance for change.
Do you want to go to prison for up to 20 years?
no.
All right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'll deny the motion. There's to be no contact with the complainant, whatever her name is, give that to probation. So the complainant and condition number one, you are not to have any contact with her. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So as far as your probation is concerned, that relationship is over. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any children with her? So that relationship is over. If you end up violating my order and having contact with her, you could potentially go to prison for 20 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're going to do state ISF cognitive and substantive track. And then we'll see where that leaves us.
Okay, Your Honor, I do want to point out that the way that state ISF is being ran now, it's not a double track anymore. It's either one or the other.
We'll do cognitive.
Thank you, Judge.
And then after that, when he's released, we'll put him on GPS, partial for work, until further notice. And you to reside at your grandmother's house. You understand?
Oh,
And Your Honor, for Mr. Henson's benefit, what are you looking for, or what is the court looking for so that he could get off GPS? I mean, just so that he knows, like, if he's always reporting, attending.
Oh, he needs to show me that he's actually taking this probation seriously.
Okay.
If you're not taking it seriously, what's going to end up happening is a motion to revoke is probably going to be filed. And instead of you worried about GPS, you'll be looking at potentially 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And see probation if those fees can be waived.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Is this a motion to revoke? What is this?
It is actually a motion filed by a defense judge. It's a motion to amend conditions of community supervision. There is a no contact order with the alleged victim in this case. It is his stepfather. He was sentenced to state ISF. He did complete that. Upon release, he had nowhere else to go except home.
Is the
So
stepfather here?
stepfather is outside waiting. I wanted to make sure I kept them still apart, so
Sure.
I can call him in whenever we're ready.
All right. Let's bring this in.
Okay.
Probation, are you aware of this?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 5859, State of Texas versus Thomas Nathaniel Henson. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
John Bettis for defense.
And are you Thomas Henson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
And this is
Defense,
Mr.
you're
Close.
defense, you're requesting what?
I'm requesting a change from a no contact order to a no harmful or injurious contact on. His name, I lied, it's a video, Torres. Forgive me, Judge.
All right, no
Every time I
problem.
read it, I mispronounce it.
All right, call your witness, counsel.
I call Mr. Torres.
Family ties complicate everything. The stepfather's testimony will not only influence the judge's decision, but also reveal the emotional stakes at play. Will Henson have the support he needs, or is this relationship part of the problem?
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Abilio Walter Torres Mercado.
I'm like the last name,
Mercado.
Mercado. All right. Defense?
Yes, Judge. What is your relationship to Mr. Henson?
It's my, I always call him son because I have him since he was little, but it's my stepson.
And are you the alleged victim in the incident arising out of this case?
I'm sorry, what was that again?
Were you the alleged victim?
Yes,
And after he was released, after Mr. Henson was released from state ISF, he went to go live with your wife, your home. in your
that's
home,
correct.
And where are you living right now?
With a friend,
And it's your desire for him to come home, correct?
correct.
Okay. And why is that your desire?
Because first of all, I want to be with him and I want to come back home. Plus, I want to help him in any way I can.
Okay. Does he have anywhere else to go if you weren't allowed to stay at your home?
No,
And the incident in question that caused all of this, was that drug related?
yes,
And of course, you understand, he just left rehab, so the hope is to keep him off of those drugs.
correct.
And of course, Judge, I'd open it up to any questions you may have for him, because I assume you have many.
Sometimes I have questions that people didn't ask. So do you have questions?
Just to clarify, so I believe, sir, that you had said that you wanted him to be able to come home.
Yes,
But he is actually in your home and you want to come back. Is that right?
correct.
Okay.
All of us be together. Let's clarify that.
And do you feel like you would feel safe if you moved back into the home at this point?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions.
All right. So who all lives in the home?
Right now it's just my son and my wife.
All right, because I have in my notes that he was supposed to stay with his grandparents. Why is he not living with his grandparents?
They don't want him to go over there.
Why not? I guess he may be.
Well, his grandmother, she's sick. She has cancer, so it's kind of hard for her to handle everything.
All right.
And it's one of the other reasons why I want to bring him to the house. I mean, he's there, I'm not, but all of us to be together again.
Okay.
It's just, I was hired and this motion was filed prior to his release from state ISF. So the goal was to try to get that knocked out, but we couldn't arrange the Zoom to be done while he was in ISF, so we had to wait until afterwards. It's the first date we can get set.
All right. All right. Any other questions?
None from the state.
Nothing from the fence.
All right. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
All right. Any other witnesses?
No, Judge.
All right. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hands.
Henson reflects on his time in ISF, acknowledging growth and lessons learned. This moment is crucial. It shows genuine remorse and the desire to reconnect with family. But will it be enough to sway the court?
You can lower your hands. State your name for the record.
Thomas Henson.
All right. What have you learned from this?
I've learned from the program so far that it's just better to be more thankful for everything. Of course, it's the longest time I've ever been away from home or in a sanction at all. So it's definitely taught me to stay sober and just be okay with it. And I want to be back with my family.
All right. How long have you been back from ISF?
Probably like going on 2 weeks now.
Just about 2 weeks, Judge.
All right. Do you have employment yet or no?
Yes, I do have a job. I just struggling to get my ID at the DMV. Like the next available appointment was next month, but we're checking every morning at 7:30 for walk-ins.
And they are holding that job for him.
But they're holding on. I have a note from them.
Okay.
It's guaranteed employment.
All right. And if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'll be clean.
All right. I like the way you said that. All right. I will make a decision after I get a UA today. Are we able to do a UA? All right, we're going to do a UA today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you need any water or anything? All right. Oh, that's a good sign. 2022 CR 5859, State of Texas versus Thomas Henson. All right, so what were the results?
No test done, Judge. My
This
client,
confession changes everything. The judge reacts strongly. Probation rules are non-negotiable. One lapse in judgment and Henson could be looking at serious jail time. The tension in the room is palpable.
My client admitted to me and he admitted to probation. If tested today, he would actually come up dirty,
For what?
marijuana.
Why are you being dishonest with the court?
I got scared, Your Honor. No, it's not right.
So he hasn't been doing well.
No, Judge.
So I don't think he should be staying with his. I don't think he should be staying with the complainant. Give me a negative UA and I'll consider it.
Yes,
So when's the last time you used?
it was one time and it was yesterday. It was last night. I was going to pick up food and one of my old boys saw that I was out and wanted to say hi. And I did. I chilled with them for a little bit and I fell into what I shouldn't have. I
So
thought
let me
it was
ask you
I thought it
this.
was harmless because I was thinking
Let me ask you this. Is that Buddy? Is that your friend?
he's an old acquaintance. And then I shouldn't have reached out to him, but he reached out to me. And then I felt like I wanted attention, I guess.
But is he your friend?
No.
Because let me explain something to you. Friends, if they are your true friend, they will not do anything that would jeopardize you. And this case, let me see, is this deferred?
So, Judge, yes.
All right, this is a deferred adjudication. And because it's a deferred adjudication, you're looking at potentially 20 years in prison. That's what you signed up for. And you have to ask yourself, is marijuana?
Probation is serious business. Henson must complete 90 sober meetings in 90 days and follow every rule. The judge makes it clear the law isn't flexible and compliance is his only path forward.
Is marijuana worth potentially going to prison for 20 years? If you think it is, continue to use it. And I know some people will say, Judge, why are you so hard on people doing marijuana or people doing alcohol? Hey, it's not necessarily me. The rules of probation are you're not allowed to drink while you're on probation. These are not rules that I made up. This is the legislature. The rules are you're not allowed to use marijuana or illegal substances while you're on probation. These are not rules I made up. This is the legislature. If you want it changed where you can drink alcohol in your home while you're on probation, you need to write your congressperson. If you want it changed that you can use marijuana while you're at home, write your legislature. My job here is there are rules, laws, right? And I follow those laws. You understand? So you have fallen off. You're not doing well because you came straight from ISF to back to doing what you're doing. So I'm not going to agree for him to go live with his stepfather because he's not in the right frame of his mind. And if you listen to the testimony of your stepfather, all of this started because of drugs. And guess what? We're right back here with you and drugs. And something's about to start. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Probation.
Yes, Judge.
He needs to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And you need to start getting your life together. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge, we'll get you a negative clean UA and come back.
Monitoring isn't optional. With UA tests, GPS tracking, and strict supervision, the court is keeping a close eye. Henson must prove he's committed to change or risk being back in front of the judge under far worse circumstances.
Come back.
All right. And probation, make sure he's tested for levels.
Yes.
And while I have you here, are you saying the only thing you're going to test positive for is marijuana?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So probation, I still want a UA. We're still going to do a UA. It's only going to be positive for marijuana. That's what you're telling me.
Just marijuana.
All right. All right.
Judge, do you want those tests with me?
Yes. Those levels had better start going down. And you're going to do a UA here today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
We're off the record. You have fallen down, but you still can improve yourself. You're not going to prison today, but you had better start changing people, places, or things. Otherwise, you're going to be back here
In the end, Henson avoids prison today, but the warning is crystal clear. Change your actions or face serious consequences. This case reminds us how high the stakes are in probation violations. If you found this courtroom drama as intense as we did, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping legal breakdowns.